In this video, I will show you how to add a co-teacher to a class in Google Classroom. Ano ang pwede gawin ng inyong co-teacher sa class in Google Classroom? Pwede nila gawin lahat ng tasks na kaya ni primary teacher, except hindi nila pwede i-delete ang class, hindi nila pwede tanggalin si primary teacher, and hindi nila pwede i-mute ang ibang teacher in the class. To get started, please open the Google Classroom app. Then click the class kung saan nyo gusto i-add si co-teacher. Then, click People. Click the Invite Teachers icon. Enter the email address of the teacher. Habang nagtatype po kayo, Classroom will show matching addresses that you can choose from. From the list po na i-suggest, click a teacher. A class can have a maximum of 20 teachers. Ngayon, paano naman tatanggapin ni co-teacher ang class invitation? Pwede nila i-click ang link sa email invitation or pwede sila pumunta sa Google Classroom app and click Accept on the class card. Kung may tanong po kayo about Google Classroom, please leave a comment below.